Monopoly Go best tournament strategy. Number one, please make sure to use the shields faster. Okay, so which shield all of your buildings activate automatically when you are assaulted. When under assault, having a shield will both lower damage taken by 50% and the attacker's income by 50%. Number two, auto roast must be used carefully. Okay, so keep an eye on the board while rolling. And when you get close to the corner where the jail is, opt to manually roll. Number three, create and improve landmarks. When it comes to producing more money and yielding larger returns over time, buildings and landmarks will be the theme of the game. Players can also use their earnings to upgrade the aforementioned structures and landmarks. Number four, since they are one of the finest ways to maintain making more money, minigames will be crucial, or it's very important. Due to how casual the remainder of the game is, try to finish this whenever you have some free time. Number five, recognizing the value of homes. Rental homes and other assets that are displayed on the board might provide a sizable amount of cash for players. Every time you purchase one of these homes, you will receive a sizable sum of money. So, this is just a few strategies for Monopoly Go Best Tournament. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.